What's going on, everybody, and welcome to the channel. In this one, I just want to talk to you guys about what I'm doing with my portfolio as everything that's going on in the world right now. We're seeing a lot of news come out about the new war and different things saying it'll cause a bear market and different things, and how I'm playing this out because there's just so many different things going on in the market right now. I want to talk about my holdings, my activity, dividend portfolio, all these different things. So if you enjoy this type of content, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Turn on post notifications so you miss out on any future videos. You know all that stuff, so let's go ahead and get straight into the video. So what we're looking at right now is my dividend portfolio. It's been fluctuating all over the place. Over the past day, I'm up $190, which is 1.64%. And over the past week, I'm down 46 bucks, which is 0.39%. And we'll go ahead and look at the past month. I'm up $107.21. Sorry about that stutter right there. About a 0.93% return. Now, if we go ahead and look at the entire S&P 500, it's been all over the place. My portfolio is up about the same, 0.93 and 0.22% as the S&P 500. Over the past month, we're seeing a lot of volatility. If you just go look at the news, you'll see everybody's talking about Russia and Ukraine tensions and bear markets. What are traders doing? How does this affect the markets? And honestly, the way that I am playing this is I'm just continuing to buy into solid cash flowing companies and great ETFs that I strongly believe in for the long term. And I don't plan on selling anything. If I could time the market and say everything's going good right here, and I could sell all my positions at 12,243 bucks and then buy back in over here when everything's 11,500, I would. But that's nearly impossible to do, and I'm not even going to bother and waste the time to even try. So I'm just going to continue to buy and add more to my annual dividend income, which is the entire goal of this portfolio. You know how everything goes like that. So let's go ahead and talk about the activity that happened on my portfolio this week. And to be honest, nothing happened. I did not buy any more stocks this week. My cash position is not sitting as big as I'd like it to be. So I'm working around that, trying to put more cash in my portfolio and just consistently buying into my portfolio, my M1 Finance portfolio. So if you want to check out my portfolio for free, use the link in the description or the pinned comment and sign up for M1 Finance using the link in the description or pinned comment. It says M1 Finance, you sign up, click that link, deposit $50, and you'll get another $50 free dollars. If you go ahead and look at the past transactions in my portfolio, what we'll do is we'll go ahead and just go right here and I'll show you an example, $50. You literally get a free $50 just because of a referral. So it's great stuff. Go check it out if you'd like. So let's go ahead and talk about my holdings. I have 25 positions. And I'm currently, my unrealized gain all time is actually down, which I started this portfolio about half a year ago, I want to say. And I'm just documenting all my stuff with this YouTube channel and its entire goal. I want to share as much everything I can, just be completely as transparent as possible. You can watch my portfolio grow and all these different things like that here for the long term. But my shares in Microsoft, Apple, SPHD, they're just my biggest holdings, and they go all the way down to my smallest holding of Costco, which I only own $50 in. But this is one that I actually want to increase my entire position in. Store Capital, things have been getting a little wild. And same here with QILD, my unrealized gain is not sitting that nice, but the yields on these is really good. This is an ETF that I've been thinking about selling out of, or just kind of transferring that money into something like Nvidia or maybe even Costco, things like that. If it's not making me money, it's losing me money. So I might as well put in something that has the potential to make me money in the long term. Could honestly just put it into the S&P 500 and it'd be better than down 18%. But you'll see I own all these different stocks. Here is my entire portfolio. It's just called the Dividend portfolio. It's broken up into a lot of different things like tech and cloud computing, income fund, which is just some ETFs that are dividend ETFs pretty much, banking and fintech stocks, consumer and stores, real estate, and then restaurants and food. And my restaurants and food portfolio is actually only Starbucks. But things are not sitting that nice in the market right now, so the way that I'm playing it is just continue to buy. And I know long term, I've done my due diligence. I know other people have done their due diligence, and everything adds up. It's just that the market is kind of not being friendly to investors right now in the sense that it's red. But if you take advantage of the red, it can be friendly to you in that sense. And that's how all great investors do it, is they buy when it's red and they sell when it's green. And so looking at my dividend portfolio, this is a little bit glitched out right now. It's saying my yield on cost is 218%, which that's not the real case. My yield is about 3.35%. And it sounds a little weird when I say I'm trying to bring that down, but it's just because I'm aiming for lower yield and higher growth right now. So my yield on cost is actually lower than my real dividend yield. because my stocks are down long term, but my annual income has continued to grow every single week and every single time that I buy more stocks. So my annual income right now is about $403 a year. You divide that by 12. If I'm not mistaken, I'm doing this math right off the top of my head, like 400 divided by 12. I'm just trying to think. It's about $30 a month, $35 a month in passive income. It's like $1 a day. So we're sitting really nice. Things are looking really good in this portfolio. I know stocks are kind of down right now, but being patient, because patience pays, and that's the key. But that's going to wrap it up for this video. So if you enjoyed this content, make sure to subscribe to the channel, turn on post notifications to miss out on any future videos. Thank you for making the end of this video. I really appreciate it. Check out M1 Finance if you haven't already, and all that good stuff. Leave a comment below. I would like to hear your guys' input and all that good stuff. So thank you again, and I will see you at the next video.